Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to check block numbers on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open settings, then unlock your iPhone, then tap on the settings app like the gear icon. Now go to phone settings, then scroll down and tap phone. This section contains all call related settings. Then go to access block contacts to block contacts, or sometimes it says call blocking and identification. Here you'll see a list of all numbers and contacts you've blocked. Next is review or manage block numbers. To unblock a number, swipe left on the contacts and tap unblock. Then tap add a new blocked number, scroll to the bottom and start add new. Then select a contact. Block the contacts cannot call, text, or FaceTime you. If a number isn't blocked but you're still not receiving calls or messages, check Do Not Disturb or Focus mode. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.